How to delete search history on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in with the account whose search history that you want to delete. Now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here under the account tab, you will see the option for manage all history. Tap on that and here you will see the delete drop down. So tap on the delete drop down you see there and then select the delete all time option in order to delete all your search history. Here, tap on the delete option at the bottom and now in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete, and with this, as you can see, your YouTube search history has been deleted. So this was about how you can delete search history on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.